Hey everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick, and I am back with day 25 of the daily Red Heart Free Pattern series. And today we are looking at Tunisian crochet patterns. So I just have three today, but they are all just absolutely lovely, and I can't wait to share them with you. The first one is called the Tunisian Star Stitch Pullover. Now, if you are a Tunisian crochet fan, you might really enjoy this. I'm going to go ahead and open it up so we can take a closer look. All right, this crochet pullover is unbelievably soft and Red Heart Unforgettable. I am a big fan of Red Heart Unforgettable yarn. I think it's beautiful. It comes in such a wide range of colors, and yeah, this is just an absolutely beautiful pattern. This is listed as an intermediate level crochet pattern, and like I said, this is a Tunisian crochet pattern. So that is beautiful. Really love that a lot. Boy, they've really matched her jewelry perfect to that unforgettable yarn too, haven't they? Absolutely beautiful. Love that. Okay, our next pattern is the Tunisian lace poncho. So I'm going to open that one up, of course, and give that a look as well. All right, so achieve a unique look with this crochet poncho in Red Heart Soft. So this is kind of interesting because it doesn't go down very far. You know, this isn't one of those big bulky ponchos. This looks like it's kind of shorter and more of a shrug even. It really is pretty. This is an intermediate level pattern. Um, and like I said, they used Red Heart Soft, and it looks like they used the color grape. So yeah. It almost looks like a skirt, doesn't it? Very cute. Very nice Tunisian crochet pattern. The bottom here is really very pretty and delicate looking as well. Okay, our last Tunisian project is the Tunisian Simple Stripes blanket. So I really love this stripy look of these that's made from the Tunisian bars. I'm just going to open it up so we can take a closer look. Okay, stripes are in style on this easy care crochet blanket featuring a Red Heart Super Saver Ogo. So this is another project that uses Ogo yarn. And I like the fringe on this actually. I'm not usually a big fringe person, but I really like it on this project. And yeah, these orange bars that you see running through, I really like the look that that gives this blanket. It's really, really pretty. And it looks nice and big too. Really like this one. Very pretty. So let me know in the comments below. Have you done Tunisian crochet? And if so, what do you think of it? I've done a few projects with it and I like it. It's really fun and it's kind of a nice change of pace. All right, everybody, as always, if you're interested in any of these patterns, feel free to click on the link below. That's going to take you right to my Pinterest board where you can click on the picture of the pattern you're interested in and download it immediately. There's no ads. All right, everybody. I will see you tomorrow with day 26. We are almost to the end of this series. Can you believe it? All right, see you tomorrow.